morning. And
10:22 a.m. here. Currently 23 degrees outside.
lies. Currently snowstorming outside.
23 degrees inside our underground parking.
And we are heading out to do a little bit of a explore before we head to the airport. Hope, fingers crossed, everything today goes smoothly. We will see. Based on this, makes me nervous, but fingers crossed that Atlanticers do better with this than we do. So this is Fisherman's Cove Heritage Center. This would probably be a really cute little place to be in the summertime with all these little cabins, businesses, it looks like.
So we haven't seen come back.
So as I was saying, this would be really cute in the summertime. It looks like these are all like a bunch of little businesses that are running these cute, bright little buildings. This is very what I would expect, like Nova Scotia waterfronts to be like. I don't know. Stereotype, I guess.
Where's little lobsters?
This is the end here.
It's ferry. Oh, this would be such a neat little place in the summertime.
Super cute.
We say beer?
Super cute. Okay, on to the next.
So the snow's really picked up, and we're stopped here at this giant moose, which is next to Silver Sands Beach Park public easement. So I can maybe find this later. I don't know, maybe there you go. Can you kind of see that? $11:49 a.m.
Heading to go grab
It's 9 degrees outside right now.
Heading to go fill up the gas tank for the last time and then return the vehicle. And then sit anxiously and hope that our flight happens.